Hey everyone, Vego is having a Black Friday and a Cyber Monday sale. You can get anything from their fall and winter products that you have seen me use. Those are the classic raised beds, greenhouse covering system, the seed starting kit, the grow light garden, and the elevated garden bed that I'm standing in front of, and also the easy cube that I have over here in with my cabbages in it. So what do you have to do? All you have to do is leave me a comment in the on this video, letting me know which one of the Vego products that I just mentioned that you like the most. You can also enter at Vego Gardening on Instagram. The contest will run will end rather on December 7th, and I will be doing the drawing on December 8th. I will choose two winners, and again, all you have to do is leave me a comment letting me know which of the Vego products that I mentioned that you like the most. You can, if you do decide to purchase from Vego or anything like that, I will you can use my discount codes that are in the comment and description portion of the videos. So don't wait, hurry, go ahead and enter, and good luck to you.